I'm Cole Rush, production manager at SCI Surfaces. We do custom granite and quartz countertops. We're having a lot of problems with downtime. So for a myriad of different things, we had a lot of drivers that were going out almost on a daily basis. We were down for an hour or more each day, dealing with drive issues and connectivity issues and things like that. So I think we chose to upgrade the machine because we were having a lot of issues and stuff with the drives. And so really the guts of the saw were really, really good. But all the electronics and stuff were really out of date. It was hard to find parts for, things like that. But the guts of the saw were really, really good. And in the space that we have in our shop, it really was a perfect fit in our shop. And to try and move that and all that stuff was a lot more effort, cost, things like that. And so we decided to retrofit to alleviate those problems. Cool.
I'm Jerry Steele. I'm the maintenance person at SCI Surfaces, and we make granite and marble and man-made material countertops. We were having a lot of troubles with the controller, which was an OSI control, and they quit supporting it. So we had to do something, otherwise we were going to be up that famous creek. It went real smooth. I mean, it was a real easy transition. There was a little bit of a learning curve, but this one is much more user friendly than the one we had as far as resetting the blade for blade wear and those kind of things.
It's very easy for us. I mean, we had a lot of time to plan, so that's a big thing for us because I can't stop production. So we were able to plan and do some other workarounds of the saw. But you know, honestly, the guys moved way faster than we expected. We had the saw up and moving, I think 3 days, 2.5, 3 days, which was way more than we ever expected. And I believe we finished a day early than what we were told, which is great because we were able to get back up and go in the day before we anticipated. We sent in a support ticket, and normally within just a few minutes we get a call or an email back handling our stuff. We've only had one little issue so far, and I think that was just kind of a weird little deal that nobody could have foreseen coming, but we were able to handle it within the day. So.